Hey, Steve here with Cardiac Cycling. This Travato was a 2021 model year Winnebago Travato K L, L being for lithium. It is on a ProMaster 2020 chassis. If you have a Volta Power System in your RV, and you're one of those on social media who within the last couple of weeks has been saying, what do I do when the thing turns blue? You're going to want to watch this. Stay tuned.
Bernie was blue today. Instead of waiting for his batteries to go completely dead, I'm going to help him along. I don't know why the heating pads quit working. The temperature's been 28 degrees for a long time. And we've been fine. And now all of a sudden we're blue. So this is a workaround that Volta suggested when we first encountered this situation back in November when we were trying to go on a trip and we were loading up to leave, I think that day, and our state of charge was blue and our batteries were down to less than 50% and we didn't know what was going on. We're going to access Bernie's heating pad outlet and connect it into a different outlet to give continuous heat to the battery pack to keep it or get it back in the green.
Why do we have to use a different outlet?
Because the pads are plugged into what they call a switched outlet. The power to that outlet comes on only when it's needed.
So it's thermostatically controlled?
That's what they say. I have my doubts. But you have to monitor it when you plug it into a continuous power source because you don't want the batteries to overheat.
Okay.
So,
all right.
We're gonna get into the guts of Bernie. If you haven't modified your bed platform, you're gonna have to take the whole thing apart.
That whole enchilada?
The mattress has to come off and the whole bed platform has to come off. But you gotta remove all the screws. But we modified ours. So we only have to remove the head of the bed with a screwdriver. That's the switched outlet, labeled heater box. We have 2 heating pads. Now we get, because we're going to use an outlet that's in here in the coach, because we still have battery power, we're still hooked up to shore power. It's just the batteries are too cold to take a charge, and we're going to warm them up. So I'm only going to unplug one of the heating pads since the state of charge is at 92%. And yes, I could leave it and hope that the batteries just warm up through whatever course of technology is down there. But our temperatures aren't supposed to get above freezing. I don't hold out much hope for that happening in a timely manner. So anyway, I'm just going to unplug one, plug it into an extension cord rated 15 amps, and then plug it into the outlet. And then when it turns green, the state of charge goes into the green and Bernie's ready to take a charge, I'll unplug it and put it all back together.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Well, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Hope you found something in this video useful, or at least it was entertaining. Hey, if you enjoyed seeing Kelly in front of the camera for a change, give her a thumbs up. It might encourage her to be out in front more often. Again, thanks for watching. See you next week. If you enjoy what you see on this channel, please click the subscribe button.